Check out this pre-owned 2012 Ford Flex Limited all-wheel drive. This four-door wagon has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include trailer tow package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.